to know, because we're children. Guess what?
What?
Are really not supposed to be here.
What do you mean?
This is a land of grown-ups.
How can it be just a land of grown-ups?
Only 8 and 10-year-olds.
Huh? Really?
Okay?
Wow. Your Highness, this is my recorder. Is there anything you need to tell the people? Come. It will record it.
To your children.
A message for the children.
Is it on now?
Yeah.
Just a second. You don't want to hear this, okay?
I do.
No. You can listen to it when I'm done. Okay? You will die soon.
Put the top of it kind of down low. You want to have it see like a phone?
Just three. If you like one and like another, just hurry and not give up. You can't give up. If you give up, you'll die. Never give up, okay? Got it? Bye. I'm done.
Can I have it? Let's see if it recorded. I'll bet it. Your Highness, is there any message for the adults who take care of the children?
Adult?
Yeah. Something what the children need. Hold on! I'll be right down!
The children need 8. Send 8 juices and 5,082 water bottles. 95,082 food. And then you'll die. Bye.